Impressive 2-story located on quiet cul-de-sac. Huge eat-in kitchen west/gas stove, pantry, granite and stainless appliances. Formal dining room west/hardwood floors and sliding barn door. Master on main level west/double walk-in closets, whirlpool tub and glass shower. Upstairs catwalk overlooks the massive stone fireplace in family room. Double French doors lead out to large covered deck. 3 spacious bedrooms and bonus room upstairs. The basement features media room, office and huge den/rec room.